The cross-section comparison feature allows the comparison of different sets of measurement data and calculates the volumes of excavation and embankment. To perform a comparison between two periods, a set of baseline measurement data and a set of comparison measurement data are required. These two datasets are compared to identify the differences. Here's an example of creating a set of comparison data against the original design data. To create a new cross-section project, create a longitudinal cross-section line, then click to automatically generate several transverse cross-section lines. Click to calculate measurement data, select the category type as ground, choose a measurement group from the drop-down and create an empty group, then click Confirm to calculate and complete one set of measurement data. Click to calculate measurement data again, select the category type as ground, choose a measurement group from the drop-down and create an empty group, then click Confirm to calculate and obtain measurement data set 2. In the right-hand 2D cross-section view, click to Edit Nodes and add nodes to make adjustments to the cross-section. After editing, dragging the point cloud will show that the cross-section has been changed. Click on the two-period cross-section comparison, select the baseline measurement data and the comparison measurement data, then click Confirm to generate a comparison report. In the comparison report, the total volumes of excavation and embankment and their changes can be automatically calculated. Then, click to export the report to generate an HTML file and select the report save path. Upon opening the two-period cross-section comparison report, you can see the reported total volumes of excavation, total volumes of embankment, and total change in volume. Scrolling down the report will display the comparison for each transverse cross-section line.